Hey YouTube, there's a whole tool here, and my next computer part for my gaming computer bros came, and look in the description, you'll see what it is. But just to already say, it's my power supply. The thing is that I'm not gonna do any more surprise unboxings because I think they got annoying to viewers and everything. Maybe that's why I got less views and everything like that. So I'm just gonna review what I get when I get my computer stuff, my gaming computer. I'm just gonna see what it is and everything like that. But anyways, this is the long freaking box for a power supply. I did not order an extended one, so hopefully it's not an extended one. I'm guessing they just put packaging and everything, that's why it's so long. This is from Ohio, and I got it for 2-day shipping for like $5 and something like that, and it came today like at 3, and so let's just unbox this. This tape's hard. Just see something. Alright, that's one. They package this hard. Alright, that's one. The reason why the camera's far away is because it's a big box, so I'm gonna have to, give it some space. And it only fits in 3 cases, so now when I said that, hopefully you know what power supply it is. It's simple. There's that. And then alright. Holy sh**. Damn! In videos that looks really small, but that is freaking big. Wrapping, like, air bubbles. Air bubbles. Air bubbles. Good packaging. Now, this is one heavy son of a bitch. It's the Antec CP-850. I'll do a separate video on this of unboxing it, and then on that unboxing video, after the unboxing clip, it's gonna show how let me start over. I'm gonna make a new video of this unboxing, and after unboxing it, I'm gonna test out my system and see if everything's working fine and everything like that. But this is one giant freaking box for the freaking power supply. I mean, I thought it was gonna be smaller. Like in videos, it looks smaller and everything. But let's see. The packing list. Got it in total. I got it in total of $132.90. It's in total. Yeah. The unboxing video is gonna be on the bottom, or on the bottom of the review, and the bottom of the unboxing of the package arrival. It's the video's gonna be under this video in the video responses or in the description. This is just called packaging. Package came and everything like that. Package came, and then just unboxing the package and everything. Then the real unboxing is gonna be in the video response, or like I said in the description. Alright, so just go there now to see the unboxing of it and to test out if my system's okay.